What is up everybody, Rexter here, and today is my update video on the events that have been going on. So first I want to say I will be adding in more drifting footage of that day that I collided with an FRS with my BRZ. If you guys have not seen that video yet, which I'm sure you have, but if you haven't, go ahead and click the link right now. I'll probably put a comment below on the timestamp of where to go in the video if you just want to watch the extra drifting footage from Import Faceoff drifting event where my BRZ collided with an FRS. It was 86 on 86 crime, but it is all good. My BRZ will be fixed soon enough. The door is already here, as you can see these pictures right now. It was dropped off at my buddy's Luke's place, which he has an insane wide body STI, and he has an R31 GTR, a couple Foresters, like he's turning a Forester into a drift car, which is, that's just insane that he's gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be hopefully tandeming with him next year events if he gets the Forester to the position that he wants it to be at. But let's talk about moving forward from here. Once I get my car back, hopefully I'll be selling these wheels and I'm gonna get different wheels. I am sorry, I love RPF ones, these gold wheels, they are perfect, they're lightweight, they look good, and they just work. However, I want to switch them up and get something different. I was thinking about getting, I think it's pronounced Cosmos wheels. I'm not too sure, but I'll throw that up on the screen right now of the wheel I want. It's a glossy black wheel. It has a really good offset, and the sizing is actually a little bit wider than my gold RPF ones. I feel like that will make my car look better because I kind of want to go for the all blacked out look now. Then having a wider wheel, it'll be a lot better for if I want to stretch tires for less grip or get bigger tires for more grip. Doesn't really matter what I'm doing because I do like to do autocross still. I don't know if I will be doing autocross events or not, but I do like autocross and I like going back roading around corners fast still, not just drifting. However, I think drifting is the main goal of the car itself, and with that I need bash bars. I'm definitely gonna get bash bars, hopefully by early next year, maybe tax season. But I will be getting bash bars before I start drifting again at any tracks. Because you guys saw Dominic's car, his front bumper, nothing even happened to it, which if I had bash bars, I think I would just take my front bumper off and not even run a front bumper, just have the bash bar showing and just drift it with it. But in the drifting videos that you guys have watched, my biggest flaw, I believe, with drifting is my entries. My entries were not the greatest. I would go fast, but not fast enough on the first corner to initiate. I would rip the e-brake and then just gun it. But like, it didn't really, like ripping the e-brake didn't really do anything. I was basically power throwing, power drifting. Like to start off, I wasn't actually ripping the e-brake and throwing it in there, or I was not, you know, whip it this way and whip it back this way really hard and start drifting around the corner. So my entries were pretty bad on a lot of the drifts I did. So that's one thing I'm gonna definitely focus on working on for the next event. And also with tandeming, I think I'm gonna try being more tame and just doing two-man tandems, and not try doing, that was a four-man tandem when we had that you know, that little colliding happened of our 86s, which it's all good, it's all fine, but obviously professional drifters, they usually just do competition drifting. It's just one-on-one drifting tandem. So I think I'm gonna try sticking more to that and just seeing how well I can progress doing that, so I don't have to worry about the guy in front of him, what he's doing, or the guy way up in front of him. Like if it's like 3 cars up, maybe 4 cars up or something crazy, depending on how many people are tandeming together. Because that just gets too hectic. If my car was more of like a rowdy, cheap 90s car, then I definitely would be doing it. However, I do want to keep it somewhat nice. I don't want to keep banging it up, which I know I will next year. You already know I'm going to be banging up the car. That's going to be a lot of fun. But other than that, there's always going to be stuff I want to do to the car, like maybe seats and steering wheel and just other interior mods. But for now, the car is pretty much good. Just gotta get bash bars, gotta get my car back, gotta get fixed obviously, which so far it sounds like it's coming together pretty well, and drift season doesn't even start until, you know, late spring next year anyway, so it'll be fine. Oh, and I forgot to mention camber bolts. I'm getting camber bolts for my front because people pointed out that the front of my car didn't have like any camber at all. So whenever I was drifting and was at full lock with my wheels, my front wheels looked like they were like, this wheel was kind of tilted outwards. Like it looked pretty bad. I'm basically like rubbing on the outside edge. So if you had more camber, both wheels had more camber, when they do turn out, it'll even itself out instead of look like it's about to fall over. I have that picture on the screen now of what it looks like. It's pretty bad, as you guys can see right here, and definitely gotta fix that. So camber bolts will be coming in soon. It's like a $20 mod, so if you need more camber in the front, 20 bucks to get more camber, easy peasy. But yeah, so now that is it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up the drifting clips from outside my vehicle and pictures that I found and picked up. So yeah, shout out to my dad. My dad is gonna have all the drifting clips that you're about to see, the main ones that just keep going. That's all from my dad, so shout out to him. Thank you for coming out to the event and enjoying with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.